Okay, guys. Then just mute yourself. Just mute yourself. Mute yourself because I'm recording this statements. Okay. I hope I'm the only one speaking now. Let me see the chat. This one should be written in full. Oh, it should be written in full. I thought you guys took a screenshot from our previous session. I thought you guys took a screenshot from our previous session. It's okay, okay. I'll write everything down in short here before we can go. That you guys took a screenshot. Oh, I'm gonna be fast because I'm not using premium IPS. No, speed. This is initial structure point. If you see that, this is what it means. This is what it means. That you guys took note of this in our previous session. And initial, that's IS is just initial. When you see H, that's a high. And then when you see R, that means low. And then when you see N, that means new. So when you see, I think those are the things, yeah. Those are the P, PB, means this is pullback. This is a pullback. So those are the only things that I'm gonna use. Only initials that I'm gonna use. Let's say ISPH high. Take a screenshot of that. Oh, you can take a screenshot of that. So here it is, man. Let's start from. Go ahead. We're supposed to do a back test of the whole of this, man, using the same ideology I've been sharing with you guys. I don't know if you guys have been trying it on your own to try and implement. The fails. I did write it in full. I don't know if you took note of that. I don't know if you took note of that. So yeah, if my sound is clear, then it's fine. So let's start here. I don't know how many. Okay, we're gonna start here. We don't need a lot of data, because just doing a quick back test on this one. Start with my connection. It's not loading. Cool. Oh, what's happening? My chat. What's happening? Chat. What happening with my chat? I prepared for this. Now it's 23. We're going to do maybe 3 examples, and then if you guys have questions, you can ask. Because this is not what I thought is going to happen. So it's just basic theory of it. This is structure. Yes, this is how you begin. You mark your range, high to low. This is my range. This is my consolidation. And then you wait for the market to take either any high of that or the low. So after the market takes out the high, you identify that as initial structure point, beginning of the trend. Now we expect the market to expand. After a consolidation, there's an expansion that happens in the market. So our lowest point, we take this as our initial structure low, and then there's a pullback and new low. We look for entries after a new high is created, breaking the initial structure high. That's the theory. And then we take the Fibonacci. Anything below, if price becomes below our 50 zone, we look for entry and buy, continuation up. And then here, this happened on 23 May. Wanted to do for a week. And then here, uh, everything was met, but then the market hit stop loss. So it's also part of it. I did a full back test of the month because I will then share it in the PDF form because I'm not using a TradingView Pro. So I cannot go back until the 1st of May. I cannot go back till the 1st of May. So this is what you look for. You mark your range low to the high, and then the market broke this low. So identify that as initial structure low, and then you wait for a pullback, and then you wait for a new low to form again. After a new low, it formed, you take the Fibonacci. Price went below above our 50, which is considered as a premium, looking for sales there. But then stop loss hit. This was on the 2nd of May. Second, so this was May, March, no, Monday, yeah. And then the same thing again, see, the same ideology applying. See, what I believe is when you come to the market looking for the same thing, yeah, the same setup every time, to become consistently. See, that's how you score. You get even hold of. It's like you will know what you are doing. After that, you won't be affected psychologically because you know at this time this is what I'll be looking for. And then if I don't see it, then I'm not trading for that day. You see how easy it is to follow rules. See? And at the same time, you look for your range, and the market broke below. So shocking no messages. The market broke below, and then this give us a 5R. Initial, pullback, a new low, and then just same scenario. I don't know if you guys get this because this is my third time explaining the same thing. So I just want you guys to understand this concept, and then we do it over and over again together. And once the website is fully set, then we're gonna be, winning these challenges together now. Kill this PropFirm together. So this is the one method that I'm showing you that easy to follow, and then that can help you pass your PropFirm account. So this is the same scenario again. Same scenario. Market broke below the range, and then identify this as initial low, pull back, just like that. You take a Fibonacci from. So I was waiting for this one because I'm still holding this one. I was waiting for it to hit 5RR. That's my target. So somewhere here, I haven't closed this one. This one is for today. So it also works on gold, guys. It also works on gold. So I will allow anyone to speak. Then you can speak maybe. Let me ask all of it. Ask all of this. Ask all. Or you can chat in the chat box. This is the method of all of this. This is the method. It's an easy and nice approach. Easy and nice approach. Look for the range. I'm waiting. If you guys have questions, you can come through. You did not understand what you were doing. It was difficult when you're trying to around it, so you can come through. So I said I'm recording these sessions again.